Welcome back, everyone. In part 1, we covered 10 exciting business ideas that could take off in 2025. If you missed it, make sure to check out the first video linked in the description below. But now, let's dive right back into it. Here are 11 more business ideas that are set to take the United States by storm in 2025. Let's jump right in.
First up, we've got smart wearables. While fitness trackers have been around for a while, in 2025, we're talking about more advanced health monitors that track everything from glucose levels to heart health in real time. This is a booming market, especially for people who want to take a proactive approach to their health. If you're tech savvy or have a background in healthcare, this is your opportunity to innovate within a growing field. Next on the list is 3D printing. The world of 3D printing has come a long way, and by 2025, it's expected to revolutionize industries like fashion, medicine, and construction. Custom products from jewelry to prosthetics can be designed and printed on demand. If you're interested in personalized, on-demand manufacturing, 3D printing offers endless possibilities for starting a business that's both creative and cutting-edge. Ethical fashion is another huge trend that's only going to grow in 2025. Consumers are increasingly looking for clothing brands that prioritize sustainability, fair wages, and ethical sourcing of materials. If you're passionate about fashion and social responsibility, this is a perfect opportunity. Starting a fashion line that incorporates ethical production practices can not only help the planet, but also appeal to conscious consumers who value transparency. Next up, digital content creation. The rise of platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram means there's more demand than ever for a high-quality digital content. Whether it's videos, podcasts, or graphics, businesses that specialize in creating engaging content for brands are in high demand. If you have a creative flair and know how to produce captivating content, this is a business that can thrive, especially if you can tap into niche markets or trending topics. As consumers continue to demand locally grown, organic produce, sustainable farming and urban gardening are set to be huge in 2025. Urban farms, rooftop gardens, and community gardens are not just trends. They're becoming essential parts of cities across the US. With a focus on sustainability and health, urban farming is a great way to connect with your community and provide fresh, eco-friendly food right in the heart of the city. With remote work becoming the new normal, businesses that help companies manage and engage their remote teams are poised to thrive. Whether it's project management, team building apps, or virtual collaboration tools, there's a huge market for solutions that make remote work easier and more efficient. Mental health has become a top priority for individuals and companies alike. In 2025, the need for accessible, online mental health support services will continue to rise. This could include virtual therapy, mental wellness apps, or even corporate wellness programs. If you're a licensed therapist, counselor, or passionate about mental health advocacy, this is the time to launch a service that provides valuable support to those in need. Americans love their pets, and this trend is only going to grow. By 2025, there will be even more demand for pet products, services, and innovations. From pet grooming and daycare services to luxury pet products and pet tech, there's a huge market here. Whether you're passionate about animals or looking for a market with devoted customers, pet services are a great place to start your next business. Last but certainly not least, online coaching and consulting. Whether you're an expert in marketing, career development, or even life coaching, online consulting services are booming. People want one-on-one guidance, and 2025 is the perfect time to launch your coaching business. If you have specialized knowledge in any field, consider offering coaching services to help others achieve their personal or professional goals. And there you have it, 21 exciting business ideas for 2025. From tech innovations to sustainable solutions, these businesses have the potential to not only thrive, but change the game in their respective industries.
Which business idea are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're already working on a business in one of these fields, I'd love to hear your story. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more business tips and future trends. See you next time, and let's make 2025 your year of success.